What up, brother man?
What's up?
Chelsea, say what's up?
Hi.
Hey, it's my piggy tail girls. All of my friends here. What's up, ladies? How we doing? Rocking it. You guys ready to walk?
Always.
Always. Matt Sellier ready?
Yes. Is it right foot or left foot first?
You'll figure it out, buddy. You'll figure it out. How you ladies doing? We all ready to go? All ready to go? It's a pretty smile. You guys ready to go? All decent? Sweet. Gotta do a little recording. Smiley. We got Jordan down there. Alright, Emily's looking pretty. Big Jerry. You guys are just rocking it. Rocking the toughness. Matt Webb pretending you can't see the camera. Oh, there's the wave right there. Randall looking super fly. We got our men on the trip. I'm included. Okay. There we go. What's up, Gonzalez family? Hey, you made it back. We're so happy for you. All right, cool. You guys all ready to be walking?
Oh yeah.
Walking and rolling. Walk and roll. That should be our. Oh, see. I'm digging the ponytails. I'm sad I can't rock the pony. Hey, Elise.
Talking to his mom.
Are you talking to mom? Tell mom I said hi.
Hi.
Tell her. Oh, tell her that you almost cost Matt Webb getting on with your little funny stunt there.
What did he do?
What's up?